Hey guys, welcome back. I really wanted to show you a simple New Year's look that's also really bold and fun. So let me know what you guys think. Honestly, this is what I'm going to be wearing on New Year's. So yeah, also I use the products from this month's Ipsy Glam bag, so look out for those because I am an Ipsy creator. Okay, so to start, I wanted to moisturize my lips. So I started with the Dr. Lip Moisturizing Color Tint in the shade Sweet Potato, and this actually has natural color from sweet potato plant, which is really cool. But anyways, moving on from that, I wanted to put on foundation, and I use of course, the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. You guys know this is my fave right now. I can't get away from it, but I applied it and then blended it out with a beauty blender. After that was all blended out, I went in with concealer, and this is a dual-sided concealer, so I first went in with the stick side, and that really covers the dark circles, and then I went in with the brightening side and blended that out with a beauty blender as well. To set my under eyes, I went in with the Too Faced loose powder and just dusted that on my under eyes. Then for brows, I started with the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow in the shade number 3, and this is going to give you a lot of volume, and it is also water resistant. I like to use this to kind of like start off my brows, and it gives a really natural brow look. I really like this stuff. Then to prime my eyelids, I went in with Urban Decay Primer Potion, and once again set that with the same Too Faced powder that I set my under eyes with. For eyeshadow, this is going to be super simple. I went in with the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Bar palette and just mixed the two matte brown shades and put that in my crease area and made sure to blend that out really nicely. This is going to be the base of the entire makeup look. Then on my lid space, I took the Steve Laurent Beauty Loose Pigment in the shade Rose Gold and just put this on my entire lid. Honestly, I was shocked. The pigment is pretty intense on this, and I honestly could have just left it like this. Then I blended that shade out with the Luxie Beauty Precision Blending Eye Brush 243, and this is a synthetic tapered brush that's going to give really controlled application or controlled blend. Then I decided to go in with this Pop Beauty Glitter. Dude, these are so intense. I love them so much. So I mixed the shade Confetti and then the gold shade to give like a really cool look in the end. Then for an inner corner highlight, I took the Catherine Cosmetics Natural All Over Powder in the shade Sienna. And this is a highlight that has a sheer finish. So I thought this actually looked really good on my brow bone and my inner corner, but I also wound up using it as a face highlight as well. Then of course I took the same shades that I used on the top of my eyelid onto the bottom part of my lash line and just put that all on there and then blended it out. This is a super simple, super fast makeup look. Then I took the Stowaway Effortless Eyeliner in the shade Jet and put this on my waterline. This is really pigmented, and it really is smooth application. For lashes, I threw on the Worldwide Lashes style in Sweet Boo. These are like my favorite lashes right now, honestly. I'm obsessed. Then to bronze and contour, I took the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder and just carved out my cheekbones and put a little bit on my forehead as well. Then for blush, I took the Kiss and Smink The Everything And it basically is a cream stick that can be used on the cheeks, lips, and lids, but I put it on my cheeks, and this is in the shade Tulum. Then for highlight, again, I used the Catherine Cosmetics Natural All Over Powder in the shade Sienna. And as you can see, this is an ultra shimmer powder that has a sheer finish. So I use it more sheer on my cheekbones, but like I said, I used it more intense on my inner corner. Then for lipstick, I used the Frozen lipstick in the shade Runaway Red by the brand Inmo. This has a high shine and also has like a minty, like, I don't want to say flavor, but like a minty smell to it. It's so nice. I love anything that has mint in it. Then for hair, I took the R&Co High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream, and this will help smooth and moisturize and soften your hair. And then I painted my nails with the Trust Fund Beauty nail polish in the shade Zero Carbs, and this is going to be super long lasting. And then of course, after I painted my nails, I had to moisturize my hands, and I used the Cake Beauty Heavy Cream Intensive Body Balm. This smells so good, and it's infused with shea butter and aloe vera, so it will leave your hands feeling really, really moisturized. Anyway, that's the whole look. I really do think this is perfect for New Year's, whether you switch out the lip or anything like that. I just think it's really, really fun for like a party look. I don't know. And it's super easy and fast. So let me know if you guys liked it. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!